Welcome back guys to Tech Balance. This is chapter 3.0 of the ccna course, and we shall be learning on how to configure OSPF. A simple OSPF, and this is how it's done. So let's start by first creating two networks. Let's pick some pieces. The first PC and the second PC. There's no need of a switch because I have two PCs here, so I can connect the PCs directly to the routers. Now it's done. So let's allocate some IP addresses for the machines and the routers. For this, the IP address is 192.168.0.2. For this one, the IP address is 192.168.0.1. For this one, 172.168.0.3. And this one 172.16.0.1. So let's configure the IP addresses for the PCs. For this one, it's already here, so let me put it in this section. .0.2. The default gateway is 192.168.0.1. We are through with that one. Let's configure the IP address for this other PC. 172.16.0.1. The default gateway is 172.16.0.3. We are through with that one. Now let's configure IP addresses for the interfaces, for these interfaces of the routers. So let's begin with this interface gig 00 of router 0. Interface gig 00 IP address 192.168.0.1 255.255.255.0. No shut down. No shut down. Let's configure the the IP address for interface gig 001 of router 0. So interface gig 01 IP address 10.0.0.1. to 55.0.0.0. No shut down. Let's do the same to router 1. Interface gig 0 0 IP address 172.16.0.3 to 55.255.0.0. No shut down. Let's configure the IP address for this interface over here. Interface gig 0.1 IP address 10.0.0.3 to 555.0.0.0. No shut down. No shut down. Now let's configure the OSPF the routers. So let's start. Router OSPF. Router OSPF 1. So network. Let's start with this network over here, which is 192.168.0.0, and enter its wildcard mask, which is 0.0.0.255. So network. Let's start with this network over here, which is 192.168.0.0, and enter its wildcard mask, which is 0.0.0.255 area 0, and come to after there we come to this other network over here, which is 10 network 10.0.0.0, and enter its wildcard mask, which is 0.255.255.255 area 0. Let's do the same to the other router, that is router 1. So router OSPF 1 network. Let's start with this network over here, which is 172.16.0.0, and enter its wildcard mask, which is 0.0.255.255 area 0, followed by this network over here, and its address is 10.0.0.0, followed by wildcard mask, which is 0.255.255.255 area 0. And you see, now the connection has been set. The OSPF connection has been set. We have successfully configured OSPF, and let's confirm that by adding this command over here. Let's go to router 0. And type this command to confirm if the OSPF connection has been set. Show IP root OSPF, and you can see 172.16.0.0 via 10.0.0.3. The connection has been set. And let's do another confirmation, that is by pinging this machine over here from this one to see if the packets have been sent. So, ping 172.16.0.1. You can see it is successfully pinged, meaning that the data is flowing well in both the networks. They can communicate to each other. So it's done successfully. That's how we configure OSPF, guys. If you like our content, like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.